Today I'm going to look at the customization and save and share features. So I'm going to my Filtergraph page after I logged in. I clicked on Edit My Portal. Now you can edit many things here. I'm going to click on Edit Basic Information. Here you can change the name. I'm going to change it. It also changes the URL. You just click Submit to save that change. You'll notice that the name has now changed on the main page. I'm going to click on Customize next to my uploaded data file. This takes you back to the page you see when you first upload a data file. Here you can change the column names or add column descriptions. These descriptions will pop up on the drop-down menu in the portal in case someone isn't as familiar with what the titles mean. You can also change the initial settings of your portal, and clicking Submit saves those changes. It takes you back up to the top of the page. If you click Done, it will take you back to the original editing page. You can click on Replace to replace the current dataset file with a different one. This combines the delete and upload a new file buttons, making life a little bit easier. You can also delete your files, but it will not give you a warning message, so be sure you want them deleted. You can also upload a new database file in addition to the current one just by clicking on Upload a New File. It will appear in the portal along with the other file. Uploading a new database file will take you to the customization page that we looked at before, and here you can still change everything that you could before. And clicking Done will take you back to the editing page. I want to look at the admins function here. You can share all of this customization power with someone else by copying this code down here, and when they log into their account, I'm going to click Filtergraph to go back to my initial login page. When you log into your account, down at the bottom there's a button that says I have an admin code, and if you click on that button and then enter the code that you just saw me copying, it will take you directly to the edit page for a particular portal. This is very convenient if someone else wants to customize the data. Now I'm going to go to my portal. You'll notice that both files are up here. You can access both of them through the same portal, and you can just switch between the two. Now if you click the Save and Share button here at the bottom of the blue box, you'll notice that it gives you a URL. This URL is actually unique for every time you change a setting on your scatter plot or histogram or table. So the URL allows you to save the settings for a particular visualization, which lets you provide collaborators with a simple URL they can pull up your portal on and see precisely the visualization that you want them to see. Now you can also download these scatter plots as image files. You can also do this for the histogram. The exported image files can be PNG, JPEG, GIF, even PDF. Now, Save and Share at the table will let you export data sets as text files. We can choose between HTML and ASCII. The first rows refers to all the rows that are displayed. All rows will export all rows of the data set that you originally uploaded. So here I changed the number of rows displayed in the customization page, and now if I click Save and Share and do first rows, I will get 200 rows of HTML. This can be very useful if you want to change the formatting of the data that you originally imported, say from HTML to ASCII, or even tab separated to space separated. That was a brief introduction to the customization and save and share features. For more introductory tutorials on other Filtergraph features, visit the Filtergraph website at filtergraph.vanderbilt.edu.